Good day again, grade 9. So here's another example of the application of zero and negative exponent rule in simplifying this algebraic expression. So let's say you have quantity 3x raised to 4, y raised to 3, z raised to 2, raised to 2, all over 3 raised to negative 1, x raised to negative 1, x raised to 2, y raised to negative 1, z raised to 4. Dapat may negative 3 dito. Ayan. Raised to negative 3. Now, ulitin lang natin na ang goal natin kapag magsisimplify ng ganitong expression is to make sure that there are no zero exponent and no negative exponent. So, ang goal natin is gawin silang positive lahat. Okay? So, we'll also simplify this one. So, gaya ng sinabi ko doon sa isang video, make sure po na napanood nyo yung law of exponent o yung review ng law of exponent bago nyo panoorin itong ganitong example kasi malilito kayo. Okay? So, let's continue. You will start with using the power of a product rule or you will want to distribute this sa bawat bases. Ganun din ito. Okay? So, that will be, let's start. You'll have 3 raised to 2. So, ito, galing dito. Then, that will be x raised to 4 raised to 2 or that will be multiplied by 2. Diretso na natin sa power rule. Kasi kung naalala nyo, kapag ni-raise natin ito, magiging multiplication yun. So, that will be 4 times 2. Then, y raised to 3 times 2. So, ito ay galing naman dito. Then, lastly, z raised to 2 raised to times 2. Since z raised to 2 raised to 2 again. All over, ito namang kabila, you will have 3 raised to negative 1 raised to negative 3. Ito po, raised to dito. Then, you'll have x. Ay, hindi. Simplify na ba natin to? Para hindi na diretso na tayo sa power rule. So, that will be x, 3 raised to negative 1 times negative 3. Then, that will be x raised to 2 times negative 3. Then, y raised to negative 1 times negative 3. Z raised to 4 times negative 3. So, mapapansin mo, ito, saka ito. Inisa-isa natin. Okay? So, from there, we will have 3 raised to 2 is, i-evaluate na pala natin ito. Since 3 raised to 2 naman is 9. Then, x raised to 4 times 2 is x raised to 8. Ito po yun. Okay. Then, y raised to 3 times 2 is y raised to 6. Then, z raised to 2 times 2 is z raised to 4. All over 3 raised to negative 1 times negative 3. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. So, we will have 3 raised to positive 3. Then, you'll have x raised to 2 times negative 3 and that is x raised to negative 6 since 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. And lastly, z raised to 4 times negative 3 is negative 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Okay. Now, meron pa tayong mga kailangan pang i-simplify. If you will look at the numerator, sa totoo lang, okay na siya kasi lahat positive exponent na and naka-evaluate na yung mga exponent. Pero dito, sa denominator, meron pa tayong dalawang negative exponent and we need to evaluate yung 3 raised to 3. And 3 raised to, copy lang natin muna yung numerator, that is 9x raised to 8 raised to 6 and z raised to 4 all over 3 raised to 3 is, tandaan kapag exponent, yun yung number of times na i-multiply mo yung base sa sarili niya. So that is 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is, 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So that will be 27 x raised to negative 6, diba? So, ang gagawin natin ay, wait, simplify na pala natin ito para medyo mas umiksi na. Since this is x raised to negative 6 and may pareho siya ng base sa taas, Pwede na natin gamitin yung quotient rule. And that will be x raised to, walay na muna natin to para hindi magulo. We can simply, ito muna ang pagsamahin natin sa denominator. So, itong mga variables, pagsamasamahin natin muna sa numerator. Iangat natin sila lahat. So, that will be 9. X raised to, gamit yung quotient rule, angat natin ito. This will be negative 6 and positive 8. That will be 8 minus negative 6. Tandaan kapag quotient rule, yung same base, mina-minus natin yung exponent. Then, ito naman, same base din ito, di ba? So, y raised to 6 saka y raised to 3. That will be y raised to 6 minus 3. Then, z raised to 4 and z raised to negative 12. That will be z raised to 4 minus negative 12. Okay. All over 3 raised to 3, gaya nga na sinabi natin kanina, that is 27. So, from here, we will have 9. 8 minus negative 6 is positive 14. 6 minus 3 is positive 3. 4 minus negative 12 is positive 16. Now, simplify na nga rin pala natin to. Since 9 and 27 are both divisible by 9, we can write it as 9 divided by 9, that is 1. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So, pwede na nating hindi isulat yung 1. We will have x raised to 4, y raised to 3, z raised to 16, all over 3. And that is your final answer.